How to make three-dimensional shapes with Magnetix. Have a lot of Magnetix lying around and don't know of anything to make? Here are some ideas. Use these simply as guidelines, there is no limit to your imagination. Method 1 Pyramid. 1. Start with a square made of 4 rods and 4 balls. 2. Make an X shape with 4 more rods and 1 ball in the center. This will be the top of the pyramid. 3. Attach them together by putting the X shape on top of the square, connecting all the ends. So far, it should look like this. 4. Add V shapes onto each of the sides, shown in yellow rods. 5. Add V shapes again to only 2 of the sides. 6. Add 2 rods to the other 2 sides as shown in blue. 7. Connect the blue parts to the other sides. This can be tricky. 8. From this point you may add on as many rows as you want, or stop here. The only limit is when you run out of pieces. Method 2 House. 1. Gather 12 squares, 2 triangles, and 15 metal balls. 2. Surround each of the corners with the balls to make the doors. 3. Connect the sides of the house as shown. You should have 6 squares, with one side without the balls. 4. Connect the ends to form a rectangular foundation like this. 5. Construct the roof by making a tent-like formation with 4 more squares. 6. Attach the roof to the house foundation. It will look like this. 7. Add the triangles to the roof parts. 8. Voila! You've just made a mini house. Method 3 Glasses. 1. Gather 2 circle pieces, 2 small extenders, and 1 curve piece. 2. Assemble them as shown. Tips. For a challenge, try to make a castle from these parts. If the 3D shapes are too difficult, start off with a simple, flat 6-point star. Gather 6 triangle pieces. Connect them in this fashion. Continue until you have all 6 sides connected into a star. Try to make this for a real challenge. Warnings. Keep Magnetix away from all electronics. Never stick them to stereo equipment, computers, televisions, CD players, or anything else that can be affected by magnetism, including pacemakers. Do not use Magnetix in a home where there are small children present. Several children have become severely injured and 1 toddler died after swallowing magnets that fell out of the toy's plastic pieces. The strong magnets can bond through internal organs and cause internal blockage or death. This is a hazard for pets, as well, so consider the risks carefully.